And nandito na naman ako ulit sa Chinatown. Specifically, nandito ako sa Maxwell Food Center. I'm eating outside dahil maganda yung weather, although medyo mahangin. Ang isang go-to place ko dito sa Maxwell, pag gusto kong kumain ng roast pork and char siu, is stall number 71. I don't know the name because it's in Chinese characters, but ito. You would really know na this is the stall dahil ang haba ng pila. Alam nyo, for this meal, it's now $3.25. I queued for 35 minutes. And to think, alas 3 na. Can you just imagine the crowd lunch? Gaano kahaba ang pila nito. So, hindi rin masasabi, considering na it's a Tuesday today. So, this better be worth it. And I know it will be worth it. So, ito yung meal number 6. It's a combination of roast pork and char siu. And of course, with rice and their special gravy. Na si Kuya ay walang pakundangang binudbud sa kanin ko. Pero okay lang, masarap naman to. Although medyo matamis. A little spice. This is the roast pork. Spicy yung sauce, pero masarap yung meat. As you can see, maganda yung texture. Again, you have the skin. You have barely a little bit of fat there, and then yung meat niya. Yan. Sarap. Sarap nito. Crunchy yung skin. At saka yung fat ko konti lang. Tapos ito yung meat niya. Yan. Sarap. And meron din ako nung char siu. Yan. Yung char siu nila, maganda rin yung mix or yung marbling ng meat at saka yung fat niya. Perfecto. Sarap. Sarap talaga. Go-to ko to dito eh. So at least maybe twice a month kumakain ako dito. Tsaka crunchy yung skin nila. Yung fat niya is almost melt in your mouth. Masarap. So masarap yung sauce nila. And you know what? The good thing about this dish, nakita niyo naman, di ba? Ang daming serving. This is only $4.50. Filling na talaga. Enough na for a good meal. Ang lambot. And thinly sliced yung char siu. Bite size talaga. Halata bang gutom ako? Sarap. Parang kulang yung isang right cup ng ramen. This is really worth the wait. Imagine, 30 minutes mahigit akong pumila. Ang stress ng hapon, guys. At walang bulk orders, ha. May pila lang talaga. Kasi Kuya medyo pulido talaga humiwa ng kanyang mga meat. So whenever you're in Singapore and you're visiting Maxwell Food Center, don't forget to try this dish. This is stall number 71. I don't know the name, but I'll be posting a picture para malaman nyo kung anong itsura ng stall. This is manned by 2 guys. One is a very funny guy, and the other one is yung chef sa loob na nagpe-prepare ng food. So, I highly recommend this stall. Kaya ko kumain ng isa pang serving nito. Thumbs up.